Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the entire process of how I made this toolbox with the Bambu Lab X2D 3D printer. It's designed to store and organize tools that came with your 3D printer. There are two compartments in this toolbox. One compartment is used to store up to 8 hotend nozzles and 2 socks, and the other compartment is used to store things like Allen keys, cleaning tools, lubricant, oil, grease, blades, and wipers. There is also a smaller screw compartment, and there are also two multi-purpose compartments in there as well. So in this video I'm going to show you the design, how I printed it, how long it took, and I will also share my thoughts on the toolbox as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting the print, I had to choose a design for my toolbox first. I came across this design which was made by Max Design on MakerWorld. A huge shout out to him, by the way. The toolbox came out excellent. One of the things I really liked about this design is that it has two separate compartments which allows you to put in your hotend nozzles and all the other tools that came with the 3D printer. These are the things that are needed to make the toolbox. M3 button head cap machine screws, charcoal PLA matte, ivory white PLA matte, and ash grey in PLA matte. You don't have to print in these colors, but you can choose whatever other color you want. Once I downloaded the model, I imported it into Bambu Studio. As you can see, there are 6 plates in the design, the inserts, 4 different case variants, and latches as well. I didn't print all these parts as I only needed to print the inserts and the case with the Bambu Lab X2D logo. There are other case variants you can choose from, such as the case with the Bambu Lab logo, the Bambu Lab P2S logo, or the case without the logo. In my case, I went with the Bambu Lab X2D logo and also chose to print the inserts and the latches too. For this print, I used PLA matte in charcoal, ash grey, and ivory white as I had those colors already. Again, you can use whatever color filament you have. After slicing the plates I needed, Bambu Studio estimated that the print would take around 6 hours or 43 minutes and 50 seconds in total, and use approximately 315.57 grams of filament in total for each part. And with everything ready, it was finally time to send it to the printer. With the build plate prepared, I started the print. The first layer went down nicely and the printer got to work. One of the most satisfying parts was watching the toolbox slowly take shape layer by layer, and you can really see the different sections starting to form as the print progresses. And after 6 hours, 43 minutes and 50 seconds have passed, it's finally finished. The surface finish came out smooth and clean, and I'm really satisfied with how the details turned out. Now that all the parts are printed, it's time to put everything together. I used the 2.0 screw bit from a mechanical tool set that I had, and I also used a screwdriver which came with it. I used the machine cap screws that I bought to connect the top and bottom case together, and to screw in the latches at the front as well, so the latches would stay in place. And there we go, the toolbox is assembled. Here's some footage of me putting the tools and the hotend nozzles that I had inside both compartments of the toolbox. Overall, I'm really happy with how this print turned out. The Bambu Lab X2D handled the print really well, and I think this is a great example of how 3D printing can be used to make things that are actually useful in life. And the best thing is that if I want to change something, I can always modify the design and print an updated version, or maybe print it in a different color. So, what do you think of the 3D printed toolbox? Would you actually print one yourself? Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and also let me know what I should 3D print next. Also, if you have any questions or queries, leave them down in the comments section and I will try my best to help you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.